Competition was really interesting. It was so exciting. It kept you on the edge of your seat all the time. It really gave you a real life experience of what traders actually do. So it was fantastic. It was amazing.
It was a good experience. Gave us a real life view of how trading is actually done, and it's nice to get out of the classroom.
Definitely to a certain extent, we learned in finance, the basic definitions. That sort of gave us a bit of a financial sounding. So it was a bit easier to understand the technical terms when we were actually trading. So yes, it definitely helped to a certain extent.
Of course, it helps out because it's a real life simulation, and we're trading real markets, real stocks, real bonds. So of course, it's a good experience. It gives you perspective.
Oh, definitely. If I'm set on becoming a trader or working in the treasury department at a bank, this has definitely helped me a lot. It actually gave me an insight of exactly, as I said before, what traders actually do and how the markets fluctuate.
Well, I learned to quit while you're ahead, for one, to not try to maximize your profits if you have to compromise your losses.
Minimizing your losses, number one. When you make a profit, just get out of the trade. Don't be greedy. My biggest challenge was actually making the right trade at the right time. There were so many times where I entered the market at the wrong time and I couldn't execute a deal well. So definitely, biggest challenge was entering the market at the right time and selling at the right time as well.
At first, the first few days, when you didn't really know what you're doing and everyone was making a loss, so I guess it was to cut losses, find out a way to cut losses. That was the biggest challenge before you even start concentrating on profits.
As far as our team was concerned, it was just getting the stop losses in place. We needed to make sure we had to manage our risk, and sometimes we didn't do that effectively, and we got wiped out on those days.
Realized that college students interested in finance and people in economics, they are pretty much the market for us because we are a trading firm and we want to spot up and coming talent. So possibly the star traders from this competition could be trading on the live floor next month for us. So that's pretty much why we did it.
I've enjoyed the competition personally. I've learned a lot about day trading.
It was a learning experience more than training, basically.
Well, I hope we win. I hope that it continues even in the years ahead, because I think it's a great platform for people interested in finance to excel.